You guys are not going to believe what happened to me.
Hey, I can't myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to you guys too. As always, you are welcome to subscribe if you enjoy this video. Right, I'm just gonna jump straight into this because I have already recorded this video.
Are you serious?
This is my second time recording this video, and oh my gosh guys. So I initially recorded this unboxing a week ago. I got my Mac about a week or a week and a half ago. So guys, fast forward to 2 days ago. I'm about to sit down to go and edit this video. So I popped my SD card into my laptop, and guess what isn't there? The footage for this exact unboxing. So guys, I lost the footage. I have tried so hard like the last 2 days to try and recover that footage. Obviously, like, if you guys have experienced this before, losing footage, it is very frustrating. It is so bloody frustrating. But I knew that if I didn't try like my best to get it back, then I would dwell on it. So I tried. I downloaded multiple programs to try and get it back, and it told me it was unsuccessful. Like 90% of it was unsuccessful. But guys, I'm kind of like, it's past me now. What is done is done, and I will learn from my mistakes. I'm assuming that I probably deleted it whilst I was getting footage from my camera to make my thumbnails for my other videos. So I messed up. I will learn from my mistakes. Guys, you won't find any ASMR footage over here, which is what I previously recorded. I did the whole whoosh, whoosh, you know, the whole sound effects. I did all of that. But I have to explain to you guys the context of how much I wanted to get this video perfect for you and how much of a perfectionist I am. It drives me crazy. But nevertheless, I'm still going to do the most with this video. And I will say, like, I'm not a perfectionist when it comes to technology. I'm not a pro when it comes to MacBooks. This is my first ever MacBook, and I realised that my previous laptop I got in 2014. Like, come on, I was well overdue this upgrade. So yeah, I decided to invest in this bad boy, and I'm more than happy with it. So let's just get into this unboxing. No guys, Apple like to do the absolute most with their packaging, and I'm not mad at it. Look how crisp this packaging is. You see, when I opened this here and I saw this, like, would that not just get you gassed? They know what they're doing. They put this on there. They're really trying to hype you up before you take the lid off this box. Yeah, so on the back it just has the description of what's inside of the box, and then over here it just has like the barcode information, which I, to be honest, never really pay attention to. I think that's actually one of the reasons why I keep my packaging, because I know that the details of what I need is going to be on the box. I don't know, you can probably find it on the laptop somewhere, but we're going to keep this. So inside it comes with the USB-C charging cable, and I believe it's 2 meters. It seems about 2 meters, look. And then obviously it has the USB-C charging adapter. So there's the main source there, and then there's the head here, and then we will just slot it down. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw one of these I was like, okay, like, it's a bit overdoing it for a charging adapter, but you know, Apple be bougie, acting all prestige in there. And obviously, of course, it just has the information manual inside, which just says on it, designed by Apple in California. Let us know. And it just has all the instructions, and to be fair, I've used this for once. I've used an information manual, and again it just comes with 2 Apple logo stickers. I guess that's if you want to put it on the front of your laptop, but I've already ordered a case coming from Australia. Actually, it's coming from Etsy. Okay, so now we'll move on to the actual laptop. I'll show you guys this bad boy. Oh, my Starbucks is here. 1 second. Okay guys, so guys, behold my lovely MacBook Pro M1 in space grey. This is it, guys. Literally as big as a piece of A4 paper. It's very small and it's very lightweight, if I'm honest with you guys. It's very lightweight. I'm scared that I'm gonna drop this at some point, which is why I need to get my case on it. It needs to arrive. Data and privacy, okay. Okay, now it's prompting me to sign into my Apple ID, which I'm gonna do. That's the fun part, guys. Siri, let's do this. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder.
좋아.
Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? I said Siri's gonna know that. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on Touch ID, which is in the top right corner here. Please excuse my messy fingerprint screen around the edges. Obviously, like I said before, obviously it doesn't have my screen protector on it or anything. It hasn't actually arrived yet, so you guys are gonna have to ignore that for the meantime. So what I'm gonna do first is customize that background to Pinterest. Obviously that is probably the best place to find your screen savers, your background wallpapers. So I'm just gonna go over to the top left and select system preferences. And then we're gonna go to desktop and screensaver. Go to my downloads and just drag and drop it into this box here. That is not the one that I want because it's a little bit pixelated. And that's my wallpaper. Like I said, plain and simple, but it does the job. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly the touch bar. And as you can see, I'm searching on Google and it would take you straight there. I can select it and I can literally click one of my favorites tabs. I'm gonna just go to Google and it allows you to type as you're going. So if you really wanted to just be lazy, you could literally type and go. I don't know, I've never seen anything like this on a laptop before, so yeah, like anyone else, I was impressed. So you can adjust the brightness here. It's like super responsive, guys. You can adjust the volume here.
I didn't get that.
Oh,
Could you try again?
No, it's okay, babes.
Okay.
Even if I was listening to music, let's just open, for instance, YouTube. What's gonna pop up? This is on my sign in. So if I just click this, you could just literally see that is the video's timeline, and I can fast forward. I put in smile. Watch this, guys. Like, it has emojis. These MacBooks do not come with the USB port on the side of it, so it's basically just the charging cable that will fit in there, and there's two of those. So I got the USB-C to USB adapter, which is this bad boy here, guys. Just make sure you do that, guys. Do not be me and just wing it. It's actually priced at like £19. I think I got it for £17.50 on Amazon. It was discounted. I did go ahead literally like a week into having my Mac because I got it and I was just like, how am I getting a whole MacBook without the adapter to actually be able to put my SD card in and edit my videos, like the same video that I'm doing now. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, guys. I got this bad boy and it's called Whoosh Tech Hygiene. Eyeglasses and VR headsets, smartphones and tablets, HD TVs and monitors, and wearable technology. I saw a YouTube review on it, and I saw in the comments, actually, not even the review, but I saw in a comment that this is what Apple actually use. I'll also put the link down below for you guys if you're also interested, and I'll also put the link for the USB-C adapter if you're also interested, even though you should be if you haven't already ordered it. You're gonna need it, like I said. I can't get into this. Power down your TV set and wait until the surface of your device is cool before clean it. Step 2. Use a dry microfiber cloth to remove dust from the surface of the screen. Step 3. Spray our microfiber cloth 2 to 3 times. Step 4. Wipe your screen. There was loads of fingerprints around this screen, like loads, and you would be able to see it at first glance. So I am really impressed with how that has worked out. Okay guys, so different day, but today I've received my MacBook case, which came from Australia. I would link where I got it from down below, so make sure you check that out if you do like it. It was kind of pricey, it was like £50. I don't know if that's normal for a MacBook case or not. So what I'm gonna do now is just open it for you guys. Look at me multitasking, boy. Damn. Ooh. I'm a bit scared to do this. I'm not gonna lie. No, this is. Ooh. Ooh. My God. Okay, it's on. I am so happy with it. Look guys, look guys, look how pretty that is. I actually really love how slim it is. It's just so compact, and yeah, it's just perfect. Looks really nice. All I need now to complete this is my keyboard, and I'm not really sure guys, what do you think? Should I get a clear one so it would look exactly like this? Yeah, back onto the video. If you did get this far, I really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. And if you did, make sure you like, comment, and most importantly subscribe. Head over to my channel and check out the rest of my videos, because I do get my content out weekly, so make sure you check that out. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below and I will definitely respond to them. I'm not a tech whiz at all, like literally bottom barrel, but I will try and help you in regards to what products I got and wherever. Links in the description box down below. Guys, I'm doing a giveaway very soon, within the next 2 weeks, so you need to be subscribed. That is the main thing you need to be. You need to be subscribed to my channel. That is it, to be in a chance of winning. And that's all I'll say for now. So with that being said, I hope you guys are well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, I came myself. Yeah.